A thermodynamic system undergoes a cyclic process A, B, C, D, A. A, B, C, D, A, as shown in the figure. The work done by the system in the cycle is, what is the work done by the system we need to find here? Okay. So here in a ABDA process, that is here one, which is, that is the center, it is O. The center is O here. Okay. Then in ABCDA process, area BCO or BOC, it is in a BCO in a clockwise cycle, and AOD is in anti-clockwise cycle. Okay. Then, so we can write this one as area under the curve, that is W work done B C O B. Then we can write it as minus area of triangle that is BCO, which is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 times 3PO minus 2PO into 2 V0 minus V0, which is, he give the information that is minus P0 V0 divided by 2. Similarly, if the area under the curve WAODA, then this is the triangle area of a triangle AOD, then this gives positive value, that is 1 by 2 into 2P0 minus P0 into 2V0 minus V0. This gives, that is a plus P0 V0 divided by 2. Then the total net work done in the cycle A, B, C, D, A is given by, that is 2, that is a P0 into V0 divided by 2 minus P0 V0 divided by 2, which is equal to 0. That is area under the curve ABCDA. We can write that one as W, that is means this one minus this one. Second equation minus first equation, we'll get the value that is equal to 0. So option D is the right answer.